Hello everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Today, today I am discussing SQL. SQL. SQL is a part of Oracle. Already I discussed in the last class. Please listen. Data definition language. DDL. It stands for shortcut DDL. We have 5 types of commands: create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. These commands are used to define the structure of the table. Okay, create command, it is used to create a structure of the table. Syntax: create table, table name, column name, data type, bracket inside bracket size, column to data type inside bracket size. You can create max 1000 columns for a table. Okay, last class we have discussed this. Please watch my previous videos. Second, alter command we are discussing now. Alter command, already create command is completed. Now I am discussing alter. This command is used to change existing table structure. Alter command used to change existing table structure. With the alter command we use alter command used to change existing table structure. With the alter command we use add. With the alter command we use add, modify, drop. With the alter command we use add, modify, drop. Okay, this command is used to change existing table structure. With the alter command we use add, modify, drop commands. To learn C, Java, Oracle and other technologies, please subscribe my channel. If anybody was watching first time, with the alter we can use add, modify, drop. With the alter we can use add, modify, drop commands. Add, first in this add command, it is used to add number of columns to the existing table. It is used to add number of columns to the existing table. Syntax: to add number of columns. Syntax: alter table, table name, alter table, table name, add column name inside bracket, column data type, size, column data type, size. Example: alter table, we should try inside. Already I created table now in the previous session. See, describe first. Name ID will be there with the two data types. Name is serial number is number data type, name is varchar data type. Okay, already I have created first table. Alter table, table name is first. Add column name, data type number, size 10. I am adding salary column name, salary column to the existed table. Okay, successful. Describe, to view table, describe first. Table is created. See, to view table, describe first. Salary is created. The below serial number, name. Okay, 3 columns are there: serial number, name, salary. Data types: for serial number, number, for name, varchar, for salary, number. To learn Oracle, please subscribe my channel. SQL is the part of Oracle. Oracle is the two types, SQL and PLSQL. Syntax: alter table, table name, add column name, data type, bracket, inside bracket size. Syntax: it is used to add number of columns to the existing table. Add command. Okay. SQL command line runner using which I have executed alter command. Okay. Modifier. This command is used to modify column data type or column size. Modifier. This command is used to modify column data type or column size. Syntax: alter table, table name. Modify, alter table, table name, modify column data type, inside bracket column data type, bracket size. Column 1 data type, bracket size. Column 2 data type, inside bracket size. Close outer bracket. Everyone make your notes and write it in your notes, then practice, you will get easily. Okay. Alter table, table name first. One example: modify column name, serial number, data type, date. I am modifying serial number, data type, serial number column data type is number. I am modifying into alter table, table name first. Modify serial number into date. Modifying serial number, data type, number into date. See, to view table, describe first. See, serial number, data type is date is there now. Name data type varchar 2, salary data type number. Alter table, table name, modify serial number, date. Example: syntax is alter table, table name, modify inside bracket column name, data type, bracket size. Okay. To learn Oracle, please subscribe my channel. To learn SQL also, please subscribe my channel. This command is drop. This command is used to drop columns from a table. Drop command. This command is used to drop columns from a table. With the alter, we use these three commands: add, modify, drop. Drop command used to drop columns from a table. Add command used to add columns to a table. Modify column, using which we modify, which can change the data type of existing column. If we want to drop a single column at a time, then syntax is alter table, table name. Alter table, table name, drop. Alter table, table name, drop column name. Alter table, table name, drop column name. Example: alter table, table name, drop column name, size, column name, salary. I want to drop salary in this, so I am writing C1 query: alter table, table name first, drop column name, drop column cell. I'm dropping column cell from existing table using drop command. Alter table name, drop column cell column. Okay, click on enter. Command line runner using which I am executing SQL commands. Okay, table altered successfully. Describe first. To view table, describe first command we use. Okay, see, salary is dropped, salary column is dropped. If you insert values after, then it will look like a table. This is all very important in the interviews. If we want to drop multiple columns, then syntax is alter table name, drop inside bracket column 1, column 2, semicolon. Example, alter table name first, drop column 1 name, okay, alter table name first, drop name. I'm dropping name column. Describe first. Only serial number is there. See, name column is dropped. Only serial number is there. Name column is dropped. Only serial number is there. Okay, to learn Oracle to watch more videos of my Oracle, and see Java other technologies, in the YouTube search with Rajesh IT Hyderabad. Okay, click on Rajesh IT Hyderabad. My channel name have been changed in the previous videos, Rajesh 999. Now onwards, Rajesh IT Hyderabad. Okay, it is a educational channel. Total videos are present in the education only. Oracle, Adobe Photoshop, other technologies, C language, Java. Watch these videos. Okay, please subscribe my channel to learn Oracle. Thank you very much.